How to share a video on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share Likee videos easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee app. Once you are here, click on the home icon up at the bottom and you're gonna find a video, for example this one. All you need to do to share this video is click on the share icon beside the comments icon, and you can share this video to any app you want. Easy and quick. And you can also copy a video link and share the video link. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.